Alright, so we had a really good football weekend. Lots of goals. Kaya Global was a 5-1 win for Global, and the Loyola Air Force game was a 3-all draw. So at the venue, there are lots of people watching, and at home also. And social media was buzzing about one thing during those games, and it was about officiating. So, Alvin, what can you say about officiating?
It's bad. Ever since we've been playing for such a long time, and it hasn't improved. Infrastructure improved, the teams improved, the league improved, but the officiating, sadly, hasn't gone up to par to whatever the development of the program is. Makikita mo naman a lot of the referees, ewan ko, mostly, feeling ko pera lang yung hinahabol nila eh. I mean, yung quality of calls, wala doon. And it's not really favoring one team or the other. It's really the consistency of the bad calls. It's not even the consistency of the calls, but just freaking bad calls. So, parang paano ka mag-i-improve pa kung yun yung nakukuha mong officiating. Kaya yung teams natin, whenever they go abroad, iba na. Kasi hindi sila sanay na, hindi nag-i-improve, hindi sila nakakasabay sa standard of officiating. That's really bad. Parang mag-develop.
You playing in the second division now, what's your experience with the referees?
Sabi nga ni Alvin, we've been playing football for a long time naman. So I had this experiences then. Parang sa UFL, parang I saw this game, yun nga, parang a couple of calls na masama, ganun. Parang hindi man lang consistent yung tawag, with the offside calls, and parang hindi nila alam kung kailan sila tatawag, kung kailan offside, kailan hindi. Parang mali-mali eh. Even parang pag nagbibigay sila ng cards, parang hindi siya consistent with the fouls.
Boy.
Yeah, exactly what they both said. It's true. Sometimes they're consistent, sometimes they're inconsistent. You think that there's a foul and it's supposed to be a red card.
Hindi bibigay yan.
Sometimes they don't give any cards at all.
Unless someone
from the bench or someone from the stand will be shouting, hey, that's a red card, foul.
It's very reactive.
Nadadala sila ng tawag eh. Kunyari may narinig silang sumigaw, foul, biglang may iba naman nalunok na yung pito. Hindi na makapito. Diba? Andito na, ganun na lang nangyayari. I mean, that's really something that has to be worked on.
Yeah.
Kasi iba na yung development.
Tumataas na yung football natin, tapos yung officials natin parang andun pa rin sila. Napapag-iwanan
It's not really blaming naman primarily the referees. I mean, siguro yung incentive-wise nila, yung incentive scheme nila hindi rin maayos, or yung training program nila hindi rin maayos. So the problem is, of course, as a referee, you also want to be respected, di ba? Hindi lang yun yung gusto mong mangyari na parang sideline lang. Kasi I've seen, I'm not gonna name names, but I've seen different referees really do their job well. And I've seen other referees who just go there for their payday na para makatapos lang, di ba?
You brought up something about respect and referees, and that's something that I think in general in the Philippines we tend to disregard.
Across all sports.
Parang you'll see that in the games, namumura na yung referees. So sometimes you can't blame the referees for reacting to certain
minsan babawi.
To certain players.
Minsan babawi yan. Ay, yan na nga eh. The problem is, I think referees should also ask for the respect of the players eh. How? Siyempre number one is by calling it right down the middle talaga. And one thing is, huwag ka papatulak lang. Referee ka nga eh, di ba? Anytime naman pwede mong alisin yan eh, i-eject mo, di ba? Huwag kang papatulak lang. And the problem is, yun nga, dito sa Pilipinas ako nakita na nanalo tsaka nadaya ng referee. Yun lang naman yun. Walang tatanggap dyan na sabihin na naka-goal kasi di tinawagan ng referee. Hindi naman penalty yun kasi mali yung tawag ng referee. Handball yun.
Sinisisi pa rin sa referee.
Laging referee. Which is, nakikita mo naman yung trend na nung league kasi mataas na yung level. So, a lot of foreign players have been playing here na and relocated to play in the domestic league. So, syempre, yung tawag na ina-expect nila would be something that they're used to back when they were playing overseas. At since ang daming reklamo, daming murahan na nangyayari. Syempre, kinakabahan ngayon yung mga referee. Paano ba ito? Lakas ng dating sa akin, bibigyan ko ng card o hindi. Diba? Yun yung mga marami pang kailangang ayusin. But for me, they have to prioritize this because, nasisira yung image eh.
Yeah, I was just about to say that bottom line is the officiating has to improve because all those people who are watching and learning about the sport now are gonna get confused.
Yes, exactly.
Because us as players, we know how the calls are supposed to be, and then when we watch, sometimes they either don't catch the offside properly or it's hard to teach the younger kids how it's supposed to be
Yung
done.
mga hindi nila alam kung paano ba talaga yung offside eh. Parang, di ba, makikita mo naman eh, like Facebook, Twitter, like, nagtatanong sila, bakit ganyan yung offside? Hindi ba dapat ganyan? Hindi ba dapat ganito?
Because,
diba, kunyari, if you're watching a game with someone who doesn't know anything about the game, and they ask you something, bakit ganito yung tawag? Siyempre, ikaw, alam mo yung tama eh. Paano mo papaliwanag sa kanya kung hindi yun yung nakikita niya? And especially now, since the player, the fans are getting aware of everything about football, not just the teams, not just the pretty faces, not just the events or the games, but also yung flow of the game, the rules, the regulations. Mahirap yun kapag hindi mo napapakita yan on the field. Paano pa sila magaganahang manood lalo na, okay, hindi naman nasusunod. Ano ba naman yun, diba? Something like that. It's really a big priority that they have to undertake immediately. Kasi ang daming nasisirang quality games.
alright, so for the officiating, it still needs work and
Major work.
I think kung kailangan yung UFL mismo, if they want to improve those referees, I think they should
invest in JJ.
invest on getting someone from AFC to conduct seminars for the referees, so that they would see the difference.
Matuto sila.
So
Matututo
education.
talaga.
Not just on
Education,
the rules and regulations, but syempre yung confidence.
Kasi every year it's the laws of the game are changing. And the game itself is becoming much faster, much more technical.
Iba na talaga.
Oo, ibang-iba.
May iba nga, akala pa pwede bang back pass, pwede pa hawakan ng keeper.
There.
Diba?
So those are the things that need work and hopefully they'll be addressed pretty soon.
Sana talaga.